Hey everyone, and welcome back. So tonight we're going to talk about Samantha Stephens from Bewitched. So, if Samantha Stephens was a therapist, what type of therapist would she be? All right, here's a speculation on what type of therapy Samantha Stephens from Bewitched might practice if she were a therapist. Samantha Stephens would likely practice integrative therapy with a strong focus on humanistic and solution-focused approaches, liberally sprinkled with a dash of unconventional, almost magical, practical application. Here's why. Humanistic, person-centered. Samantha's core personality is deeply empathetic, accepting, and non-judgmental. She consistently tries to understand people's perspectives, even when they're prejudiced, like Darren's family or the general public's view of witches. She believes in an individual's inherent goodness and potential for growth, often wanting to help others be their best selves, even if it means gently nudging them away from their flaws. This aligns perfectly with person-centered therapy's emphasis on empathy, unconditional positive regard, and congruence. Solution-focused brief therapy. Samantha is a pragmatist. While she understands the why behind problems, her immediate instinct is often to find a way to fix things, to move past the current difficulty and to envision a better future. She'd be excellent at helping clients identify their strengths, set clear goals, and focus on what can be done, rather than dwelling on what's wrong. Her magical solutions, while not directly transferable to therapy, reflect a mindset of swiftly moving towards a desired outcome. Integrative approach. Samantha wouldn't be rigid. She'd understand that different problems require different solutions. She'd likely draw from various therapeutic modalities as needed. For example, cognitive behavioral therapy elements. She often tries to help Darren challenge his irrational fears about her magic or the perception of others. She'd likely help clients identify and reframe negative thought patterns. Family systems therapy elements. Given her constant navigation of the Stephens, Tate, Dr. Bombay family dynamics, she'd have a keen understanding of how family roles and patterns impact individual behavior. She might help clients understand their place within their family system and how to shift dysfunctional interactions. Existential therapy. Subtly. Samantha often grapples with themes of identity, freedom, especially from the confines of her powers, and responsibility. She could guide clients into exploring meaning and purpose in their lives, especially when faced with unique or challenging circumstances. Magical, practical application, unconventional wisdom. While the therapist can't actually twitch their nose and solve problems, Samantha's approach would be characterized by creative problem solving. She's not afraid to think outside the box to help someone. Gentle intervention. She rarely forces solutions, but subtly guides people towards them. Focus on the unseen underlying issues. Just as she understands the magical world behind the mundane, she'd likely have an intuitive ability to grasp the deeper, often unarticulated issues beneath a client's presenting problem. In essence, Samantha's therapy would be a refreshing blend of genuine warmth, practical solutions, and an almost uncanny ability to help people find their own magic within themselves to overcome life's challenges. She'd probably